Assalamu alaikum. I am recording this video so that I can guide you how you can use Zoom for recording or for having any video session. So before starting any session, you have to install Zoom app. For that, you will go to Play Store, and in the Play Store, you will search Zoom. As you will write Zoom, it will show you Zoom Cloud Meetings. You will click on this and you will have an option to install Zoom application. As I have already installed this application, it is showing me to open the app, right? The application is not much larger. It will take only few seconds to be installed. So first install Zoom application in your phone. Once you have installed the application, you will just use it to join any session, and you can even create your own session. Just go to your Zoom app, click on this Zoom icon, and you will have an option of join a meeting. Just click on this button and you will just provide meeting ID and meeting password. Then click on join meeting and you will be in the meeting session. I will let you know what is meeting ID in the later in this video. Okay. If you want to join any session, you need not to log in yourself. You need not any account. But if you want to create a new video session, so you will have to first log in yourself. So in the right bottom, here you can see there is an option of sign in. Just click this. Now it is asking for your email address and password. If you have any other email address or password, like if you have Google account, if you have Facebook account, you can use that in Zoom as well. As I am using my Google account, so click on Google. Now it is asking which account I want to use because I have multiple Google accounts. So I am selecting one of them. Now it is asking me for launching Zoom. It is taking my permission. As we have already installed Zoom application in the start of this video, I am just clicking on launch Zoom. You can see the application has been launched. Now I can create new videos, video session. From the first option, new meeting. Second is of join meeting. If I want to join a meeting, so I will click on join and I will provide meeting ID and password. Okay. But if I want to create my own video, so that I will go to first option, this orange option of new meeting. I will click this. Now I will click on start a meeting. Now it is connecting me. Like you can see me. My camera has on because I asked the application to start a video session with a camera. So now I have been connected. Now you can see on the top of the screen there is a meeting ID of 9 digits, 849618711. So this is the meeting ID that whenever you go for join a meeting, the application asks you for meeting ID. So this is the meeting ID. Whenever anybody start new meeting, this code is generated. So if I want anybody to join my video session, I will provide this ID to that person. And there is also a password underneath. So I will provide the ID and password. So whoever is having this ID and password can join my session anytime. Okay. So I want to also share with you few options of Zoom application. In the bottom of this application, you can see there are few options. First option is of mute. If I click this, now you cannot listen my voice, right? So if I want to, there are multiple participants in the video and anybody else is speaking, so I can mute myself so there is no distortion, right? Or if I don't want my camera to be turned on, so I will just click on stop video. So now you cannot see me. You can just see my my picture which is set on my Google account. Okay. If I will start video, now my camera has turned on and you can see me. So you can, it is your option to on your camera or do not do that. Okay. The third option is of search. So you can share different, this is the option of share. You can share different videos, different photos, different Google Drive documents, and even you can share your screen. Second last option. If you click on this, so your mobile screen will be shared with all the participants on the screen and you can explain anything as I am doing right now with you. Okay. And the third option is of participants. Here you can see all the participants you have in this meeting session. So you can see who are in the meeting and who are not. And you can mute all the participants, you can unmute all the participants, you can mute the a specific participant. If you are the host of the meeting, you can do anything you want. Even you can ask for chat. So these are the apps. In this scenario with the coronavirus, we all are at home and we are promoting the remote learning. So this is the very great application. You should install it and you should be having a video session with your all students and with your parents. So all sort of video conference, all sort of meetings, necessary meetings should be conducted on Zoom. So I recommend you please install this application and start using it. Stay safe and stay at home. Thank you so much for watching this video.